Hello everyone. This evening I'm going to take you through what we call downloading Mendeley. How we can download Mendeley, install it, and also open account, and how you can interact with the interface. So, not to waste time, you can use different web browser websites such that you can download Mendeley. Mostly, me, I'm going to use Chrome to download Mendeley. So before I really downloaded my Mendeley, as you can see, it's really there at the desktop. Now from your Google Chrome, uh, here you can just text Mendeley. So then it will take you directly to the site whereby you can download it from. So from here, I can just type Mendeley. Can just type Mendeley, as you can see. After typing Mendeley, so it's going to take you through where the site is. Well, the network is very slow. The network is slow, as you can see. It's not opening fast enough. So this is the site where I will direct you to Mendeley. So we come to www.mendeley.com. So you tap this site. As you can see, Mendeley, download Mendeley desktop. So Mendeley site for citation. So there are very many, but if you need Mendeley, you can download from here. So here it is a free all-in-one reference manager. So here are the features mainly you can download from. So we come and click download. So here is where you will download your Mendeley. Unfortunately, I've downloaded mine, so I cannot download it the second time. So after we have downloaded, uh, assuming you have downloaded now, so it will automatically appear to your desktop. You click your download, then automatically appear to your desktop. It will automatically appear to your desktop. As this one here. Then it has done it. So you have to create your account. You have to create your account. So you have to, after opening, you have to create your account. But for me, my account already created. So to create your account, meaning you have to first enter in your email and your password, and then you sign in. In this case, you'll be able to access the Mendeley. So these are the features, the interface of Mendeley. Now, for example, this is my account. So you enter your password. The password is uh, This is my password. This is my password. So the moment you enter your password like this, so automatically you sign in, then it will just open. So this is how you can uh, uh, create your account in Mendeley. So briefly, this is what I can tell you about Mendeley. So I think I've made some mistake in the password. Thank you for watching.